Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and also welcome to this course Object-Oriented Programming using Java. Myself Tanvir Rahman, and in this tutorial I am going to explain about encapsulation. So firstly we need to know what is encapsulation. Encapsulation is one of the fundamental concepts of OOP, and it is a mechanism of wrapping the variables and code as a single unit. Encapsulating variables means that you have to declare the variables as private and provide the public setter and getter method to modify and view the variable contents or values. So how we can do that, I need to show you. In order to explain, I am reopening the project I was using, that is car management system, and now inside car class I can see that there is a private variable called price. So I am going to create some public setter and getter method for this. Like I am going to create a public void, and then I have to set price. So using this method I am going to set the value of the price variable. So then set price, if I want to set a price, then I am going to write a parameter there. So as the price field is double, so I am going to write a double car price as a parameter, and then this dot price is equals to car price. So by using this method set price, I am going to access the private field and set a value to this private field. Now I need a get method to get the value of this private field. So I have to write public then double, as the function will return a double value. So I'm going to write get price, and then I'm going to write no parameter, and then with the curly braces I am completing this, and then I am writing return this dot price. So by using this get method I will get the values of the price field of this particular class. Now I'm going to the program class, and there I want to get the value of the price field of this car class. Then inside the system.out.println method I am going to write bmw dot get price. So and before that I am going to set a price like bmw dot set price to let's say 1000. I am going to set 1000 to the price field of this particular class by using this method, and then with this method I am going to get the value there. Now if I run this project, I can get that the value is 1000. So by doing so we can use encapsulation in our project. Thank you for watching. This is Tanvir Rahman signing out.